Why does a breakup feel like a liberal punch in the gut? Not to being dramatic.
Your brain processes emotional heartbreak the exact same way it processes physical pain.
MRI scans show that rejection lights up the anterior cingulate cortex. See? The same spot is active for both a hot coffee burn and an ex-girlfriend photo.
This is the same region that screams when you break a bone or burn your hand.
Evolution did this on purpose. Back then, being rejected by the tribe meant death. So your brain created pain to warn you. Social connection is broken! Fix it or die!
Fuzzy fact. Studies show that taking a Tylenol can actually reduce emotional pain.
Love is also addictive like a drug. A breakup is literally chemical withdrawal.
It hurts because it matters. But just like a broken bone, your brain will heal.
Sending you a virtual hug. Tag someone who needs this. Subscribe.